Hello family and friends, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Melinda.
My name is Chris.
And we're here today to do another unboxing of a Universal Yum Box. So this box we've had for a while, and it gives you clues in what box, from where the box is coming from, like what the snacks are coming from. So on this box, the clue that they gave us was home of the original
Memphis.
And it has the little Egyptian people, so Egypt. So.
And I forgot to say, and if this is your first time to the channel, hello and welcome. Go ahead and click that little subscribe button there, down there by Melinda's shoulder down there.
Here?
Right in that area somewhere. It'll be right around there.
Right here.
Click that subscribe button. Come on, join the family. We'd love to have you. Yeah. So, shall we get this Universal Yum box
Let's do this
going?
box. So, all right. You can open it, because I did a lot of talking so far. You can show them. Open it up.
Open up.
Open them up.
Open it up.
Open up.
Open it up.
Open it up.
Maybe. There we go.
Yeah. And show them like what's in the box. So this is how it comes.
Don't dump it.
I'm not gonna dump it. So it is Egypt. In here. I'll hold it. You show them the paper, because I'm always. There's the paper.
And there's your scoreboard.
Yes. So make a copy of that. So.
Mega copy so what we can keep track.
So we can individually keep track of what ones we like. That way at the end of the video we'll know which one was our number one.
This is the booklet?
Yes. That tells you, it breaks down what each snack is in English.
Yeah, it lets you know what it is, what's in it.
Right.
But we're really not going to use that.
No, because we like the element of surprise.
Okay.
So that's the box there. Yay. What?
Okay, we are back. We made our copy and we got our picture
for a thumbnail.
So let's get it started.
I always forget.
Always forget.
Okay. So you pick a snack, I pick a snack. You know the routine.
Kind of go to the very bottom. Unless it's that bag. No. Ooh, what the heck is this?
What is it, hon? What does it say it is?
Well, it
Spaghettis?
says spaghettus.
Oh.
I don't know if that's coming through, but.
And I just have to say, where else would you find or get a box from Egypt?
Hey, Mom, look.
Egypt. I would have never tried any kind of snacks in Egypt. Like, this is just, it's neat. Oh, God.
You want me to cut it?
Well, it's spaghetti, right?
Oh, you want to do it that way?
Oh, gosh. Is it,
Okay.
is there an apple on it? Oh, yeah, there's an apple. This is what it says. Okay. Are you putting the whole thing in your mouth?
No.
We're putting the whole thing?
Ready?
Put the whole thing in?
Okay.
Okay.
Nope.
It tastes like liquor Twizzler, but fruitier.
It's all over my teeth. And you know I hate that. It is like a Twizzler.
It's like Twizzler, but it's apple. It's an apple Twizzler.
Yeah, but it's all over my teeth.
Yeah. So show 'em. So this is the grading. It has like each snack.
Well, you gotta show them the snacks. You just showing them the top of the paper.
Well, I'm showing it to them, aren't I? Yeah, right there. You can see it now. See, it has a little snack on the side, and then we just rate what we think of it. So you rate it from 1 to 10. Oh my gosh, it's stuck in my teeth.
Thank you.
1 to 10.
I'll be changing them. Uh-oh.
My turn.
You want the rest of this?
Well, just put it off to the side, because you know your mom's going to be like, ooh, did you save anything? I want to try. Well, if it's sticky. Well, yeah. Well, if she tries it, she only takes like a nibble.
Okay, go ahead, pick something.
Yeah, we'll just stick it up to this. You can put that down on the floor. Ah!
Oh.
It says mind-blowing pizza. Mind-blowing
They're
pizza.
like bugles.
Yes.
Oh, I wonder if they taste like bugles. Hey, look, we got Happy and Grumpy.
Cones. That must be an Egyptian. You like your mom. You gotta sniff it. Smells like pizza.
Smells like pizza. Yeah, like a bugle.
These are huge bugles. These are bigger than the ones we have. Oh, stop. Witchy poo. Ta-da. So this is what they look like.
Look like a bugle.
Mm-hmm. Ding. Well.
Tastes like pizza.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, there's a little spice at the end.
Mm-hmm. That's pretty good. See, there's the pizza. I think they're pretty good for a savory snack. I do.
This isn't working out. Well, anyway.
Hey, you don't like the board that I made up, so we're doing this. And you keep on picking the sweet stuff.
I go the. Okay, we've got
Name it.
chocolate extra wave.
Chocolate
Looks
extra.
looks like a wafer biscuit water filled with hazelnut. No, wait a minute. Hold on. Biscuit wafer filled with hazelnut and coated with natural chocolate.
Yeah, and in the book it'll tell you what region of Egypt that each snack comes from.
Oh, I got a sticker on it.
So like I said before, this would be great with kids if you're, they're learning at home, even if it's like world culture. This is the ideal. Even teachers, well, they're not in class. I'll take a whole. So without it breaking up, this is what just a wafer.
Oh, it's got like salt on the top of it.
Does
Or it looks like it.
Oh.
Ready?
That's good.
It is good.
Reminds me of the Slim Fast bar.
You've had them?
I don't know. It started out good.
Yeah, it started out really good. I mean, it's not bad.
It's like almost like a, yeah, I mean, it was alright. What number was that one?
1. That's gonna be.
Okay, back up. I don't want something this way. Ah! Pretzels! That's easy
I
enough.
love me some
It's
pretzels.
a butter and herbs.
Oh, these are flavored pretzels.
Ugh. Powdered coated. They're very chalky looking. I don't know if you guys
Well, they
can
have
see
a
that.
coating on it.
Butter and herb. Yep. Beep. Did you get staleness?
I get nothing.
What do you mean? Did you taste it? Like the
I got-
powder and the herb?
I didn't get any flavor of anything.
Oh, taste it again. I did.
I don't get any flavor whatsoever.
Look at that, guys.
And it's not very.
It is coated in there. It has. You can see it on the side. And you can't. Oh, I'm spitting everywhere. Okay. And pick.
Right up top.
Okay. Ooh, they look like cheesy puffs. Tomato. Crazy.
Okay, they're
Crazy tomato.
puffs.
Like tomato puffs.
Crazy tomato puffs.
Oh, there's even different brands on the back.
Oh,
That's interesting.
yeah. Okay.
What do they smell like?
Looked like cheese puffs. There you go.
Smells like ketchup.
Yeah, smells like ketchup.
Here they are here. I don't know if that's coming out blurry or... Boop.
Ugh. Ooh.
Tastes like ketchup on a cheese puff. Well, no cheese. Just
Puff.
with ketchup.
Ketchup puff.
Oh. Oh.
Number 6.
It's number 6 on the thing. I mean, you can taste the corn puff.
Nope, I just get ketchup.
I'm digging deep.
Whoa.
Oh, back up. That's right. What are these?
Classic something or other.
Classic.
Oh, butter cookies.
Oh, butter cookies. Where's my chocolate milk?
Nah, I
There's
thought
some.
of
There's some in the refrigerator.
No, I thought it was all gone.
Who drank it all?
They probably...
No, there's still some in the fridge.
Oh, okay.
It comes in a little pack. Use the scissors. All right. Watch, you're probably like,
Ooh, there's like
ah.
flecks of... Look to me like black pepper.
No, it's probably like seeds. Flax seeds or something. Boop. They're not real sweet. Not at all.
They're actually not bad.
You remind me of something. Yeah. Go get your chocolate milk out of the fridge. No, you're not going to go get it, are you? What number is that? Number 10? I don't know. Okay. Your mom will like those.
Yeah.
Do-do-do-do-do.
Oh.
Still not. Oh, the cinnamon cookie.
That was cinnamon?
That was cinnamon.
Whoa. Oh.
It's called a gyro.
It's called a gyro.
Gyro.
And my favorite, coconut and chocolate.
Coconut.
Well, I wonder if it's like a mound.
Oh, that would be yummy. That would be real yummy. Oh, we'll show them what it looks like. Oh, you know what it looks like? Oh, you take... It looks like a not a high chew. It looks like a Charleston chew.
No.
Yeah, it does. It looks like a Charleston chew.
No.
Okay. Boop. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mmm. It tastes like a Charleston chew, but with coconut. I like that. What number is it?
8.
I like that one. Mm-hmm. That's good. Mm-hmm. That was good. Savory. It's like chips.
It's a Tigger.
It's a Tigger. Oh,
It's a tiger.
here's Tiger on the back. Can I smell it? Ooh. Smells like...
Ooh, I'm not going to say what it smells like.
Smells like veggie soup. Oh. right. Was that too funny?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Boop.
Oop.
Wow. Oh yeah, it's pepper. Almost like a taco. Because there's hot pepper.
I think that's all I get.
But
The chili pepper.
maybe that smell we smell is the cumin in it or something.
Maybe.
That's not bad. It's like a little taco chip. I don't know.
Oh
Your
my
turn. Mm-hmm. Mindy's like, no, you can't have one of those, honey.
Oh, wow.
What a savory. Don't know.
It's a wafer biscuit filled with chocolate and coated with white chocolate.
That sounds yummy.
Whatever that's called. Yeah, that one.
Yeah, that one. Mm-hmm. Does that say water? Does it?
No, that's what I said the last time.
They must have a lot of wafers. Oh, there's two. Is that break in half? Oh, okay.
Yeah, it looks like a...
Just break one of those in half for me. We can share one. Okay. So yeah.
It looks like a regular
Mhm.
sugar wafer cookie.
Has like chocolate in the middle. Boop.
Tastes like a chocolate covered.
Mm-hmm. Well, the wafers are vanilla. In the middle is chocolate. That's not bad.
That's very good, but
Mhm.
I know one thing.
We're not having dinner.
We're not having dinner. Oh, that's your turn.
Okay. Did you put this back in?
No. We got two of them?
Yeah, we got.
Yeah, we got two of them.
Got a wafer stuck on my throat.
We got two of
Got
them.
two.
Okay.
I don't want nothing savory. Guess what? Some more wafers. Ew.
Oh, they covered up the thing.
With halva and cream. Oh, is it savory?
These are wafers filled with halva.
It's halva.
We got a fly in the house. I don't know if you can read that.
Halva and cream. Huh. I wonder if it's savory. I didn't feel no like sweet goodie bag in there. Open. Well, at least it's in English where it says to open. Ooh.
Oh man, it's one big cookie.
It's a wafer.
Yeah, it looks like a plain wafer.
Nothing on it. Just boop. Is it like a peanut butter?
It tastes like peanut butter.
But real subtle. I wonder if it's a nut. Papa, is it a nut? That's not bad. It's not.
That's actually really good.
It's not too sweet. That's pretty okay.
I think that's number
I don't know. Mine's in black and
4.
white. Oh, your turn. There's only 2 things.
I'll do the
The savory. Okay. This is being okay box.
popcorn. Ooh.
Oh, it's hot.
Burning barbecue popcorn. And what everyone's been this brand. Kono, I think
Oh.
it is.
Yeah, it must be the Egyptian. I I'm really surprised of how many different snacks there are in this box. Because whenever you think of Egypt, you don't think of, like, what kind of snacks do they have? Is it going to burn my mouth? Wow. Show them what it looks like.
It looks like...
Very spicy. It's going to burn my mouth.
I don't know.
I'm blaming you. Okay. You can smell it's spicy. Boop. It's spicy. But it's alright. But will I have another
There's
one?
nothing to it.
It's popcorn. It's just
It was like 2 bites and it was gone.
It's regular popcorn. It just melts right in your mouth. So this is the last one. This is going to be good because it's a Duto. Duto?
Yeah, I'll go with that. Oh, it looks like
Duto?
a Fig Newton.
Yeah, because it's made with dates. This is going to be yummy. I already know.
Hold on.
My savory, I already know what my savory number 1 is without tasting this one. But I don't think I'll have, not savory, sweet. Ooh.
Oh, it's a giant. Oh no.
It's like a. Yeah, that's what it looks like, a fig. Take that piece. That's what it looks like cut up.
But it doesn't look like a fig.
Looks like a sugar cookie wrapping. Put the whole thing in your mouth. Ready? Boop. Mmm. Mmm. It's more datey. Like,
That's good.
it's good. But not my number 1.
Dates.
So it's a Fig Newton, basically.
Ow.
But the inside is more creamier than a fig. That's it. That's it.
Hey, there's no
No, no little snack bag.
no. Yeah, there's usually a yum bag, but it's not there.
All right. Oh, what was this one? We didn't have this one, did we? Number 3? What was number 3?
Number 3 was this.
Oh. Okay. So according to my sheet, what was your number 1 sweet on your sheet?
That.
Oh, this rate's your number 1 sweet?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. My number 1 sweet, Duro, because it tasted like a Charleston chew. It was very good. What about your savory?
Oh, I don't know. Definitely not them pretzels.
My savory, I have a tie. I'm going to say this one. My favorite savory,
Oh.
was it this one yours too?
Yeah.
This was my favorite savory.
It came out really good. Started off strong, but then it lost it at the
What's
end.
your worst savory? Oh, God. I got a couple. Oh, no. This was my worst. This was number 10. No, that was bad. That was too spicy.
The ketchup
Yeah.
chips.
What
or
about your
puffs.
worst sweet? Oh.
The apple thing. The very first thing.
That one. Don't like that one too much.
That one?
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't like that one because it reminded me of a Slim Fast bar. Yeah.
Okay.
So that is it for this Egyptian box. I hope you liked our video. So if you have ever tried Universal Yum boxes before, just leave a comment down below and let us know what country your favorite box was.
We want to thank everyone for subscribing and supporting the channel. And until next video, you are never too old.
To be young.
Bye.
Bye-bye.